This quick video is about how to make another account on Snapchat using iPhone and iPad. Okay, for now I already have a Snapchat account. Now I just log out this. Just like that. I already have a 2 Snapchat account. Here you can see that. For now I am going to create another Snapchat account. So just tap sign up. OK, and enter your first name and second name, just like that. Then click sign up and accept. Now here enter your birthday. I randomly choose one birthday and then just click continue. Now your Snapchat username was created. If you want to change this, just click change my username and change here. For now I don't want that, so I click continue. And then here enter your password. It should be at least 8 characters. Once you enter that, just click continue. And here your country was automatically fetched. And here enter your phone number, or if you don't have any phone number means use this option, use email instead. Just like that. For now I entered the same phone number I already used to create a Snapchat account. Then click finish. Now a OTP was sent to that phone number. Just enter like this. Yes. Yeah, that's it. Now you successfully created another Snapchat account on the same iPhone. And also I am using the same phone number I already used to create a Snapchat account. For now I used one phone number for 2 Snapchat accounts. Likewise you can use the same Gmail ID for another Snapchat account. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.